Welcome to Broadway Family Karate. Tonight I'm going to demonstrate the low block technique. We usually do a low block from a front stance, so we want to make sure we get to a good wide and long stance. Okay, you want to bring your fist on top of your shoulder. Okay, you're starting from on top. A lot of blocks we start from underneath, but the low block we start from on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it across in front of our leg like this, and stop right about there. Okay, you're going to come down, sweep, and stop right there. You don't want to come way out here because that exposes you to another attack. So you really want to stop just to deflect a kick. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate this a few times. You're going to come across just like so. Okay, you can also do a little twist with this too if you want to get a little extra power. And I'll do it from the other side. Okay. The blocking arm starts from the top. Okay, you're going to sweep across, stop right about there, and like so, and like so. Okay, make sure you're not leaning into the block. You want to keep your back straight. Just maintain good control, just block, just enough to deflect an incoming kick. So, I'm going to have Miss Hill assist me with demonstrating the low block. So let's start with, okay, let's walk into a good front stance. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting it right above her knee, and she's going to demonstrate how to clear the blocker. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to thrust the blocker. 2 and 3. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate a motion like a kick. So. Okay, let's try it from the other side. Let's get into a good front stance. Okay, let's move in closer. Okay, we're right above her knee. Okay, so she's going to go ahead and block. 1, 2. Okay, strike a little bit harder. 3. And a couple more. 4. And 5. Okay, now I'm going to thrust it. 1, 2. 3. And now I'm going to do like a kick. And 1, 2, 3, just like that. Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Hill. Okay, so that's the low block. It's a defense against usually a kicking attack, and that's the low block.